You want to be environmentally friendly when you're in the office, but you're not sure what you can do to help. Turning the lights off when you leave your office is good, but you know there's more you could be doing. Now there's the mini bin, an environmentally friendly initiative replacing all office trash cans. A stylish, sleek design, this mini bin comes in every Chanticleer fan's favorite color, teal. And don't forget, there's a fully functional, easy-to-operate handle, making it easier than ever for you to grab and go. The mini bin. It's your office's newest, best, and environmentally friendliest accessory. Made with high-density polyethylene, it is more dense and opaque than other plastics and can withstand somewhat higher temperatures. A normal trash can can be clunky and in the way. With the mini bin, you can place it beside your desk, under your desk, even on your desk. CCU uses 150,000 plastic bags per year. With the mini bin, no plastic bags required. The average office worker generates 2 pounds of mixed paper products every day and 10,000 sheets of paper each year. With a mini bin, you simply toss, carry, dispose, and start again. But wait, there's more! Recycling stations are centrally located on each floor, at exits, and in break rooms. Simply pick up your bin and head to your nearest station. As an added bonus, each mini bin is equipped with a flyer that tells you what goes in teal and what goes in black. And you can find similar information at the recycling stations. And the reason you're going to do it is because it's so easy. Just toss, take, and go. Custodial services will no longer be collecting your trash. They'll be focused on high traffic areas. And you'll be focused on the mini bin. And if you start now, you'll start making an immediate impact. And best of all, it's absolutely free. And if you act now, we'll even throw in free shipping and handling.
To get your mini bin, you don't have to do anything at all. Mini bins will be delivered to all workstations starting August 12th. For more information, visit coastal.edu/sustain. Operators are standing by.